Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to return the Myntra product and how to get refund. First we will see the product details. Let's open the product. This is a women jeans. I didn't like the packaging. Let's open it. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. It is a blue color 5 pocket high rise jeans and it is stretchable. You can see the price of the product. I got it for 600 rupees only. The size of the product is 32. It is back side of the product. And it has button and zip closure and waistband with belt loops. It is stretchable with skinny fit and the material is 76% cotton. Overall the product is good but it doesn't fit to me, so I decided to return the product. After receiving the product, you can see the options like exchange and return. Okay, click on return. And it is asking for the reason. Here you can select the reason for your return. Here you can give your reason in detail by clicking on additional comments. After that, click on proceed. Now select the mode of refund. If you click on Myntra Credit, you can get your refund within 24 hours. If you click on bank account, it will take 5-6 days to get your refund. Okay, now click on confirm. You will get a message. Don't cut the tags of the product. If you want the same product with a different size, you have to click on the exchange. If you want a different product, just click on return. To check the refund, click on 3 horizontal lines. Just scroll down and click on account. Again scroll down. Now click on Myntra Credit. Here you can see the Myntra Credits. I got my refund 600 rupees. Okay, now let's see how to use this Myntra Credits. Now select the product which you want to order. You can see there is delivery charges 99 rupees. So I want to change the product. Okay, now select the other product. Click on move to bag and select the size of the product and go to bag. You can see there is no free delivery on this product also. So I am going to another product. Again click on move to bag and select the size and go to bag. Select the size. Now go to bag. Here you can see there is free delivery on this product and remaining balance 41,600, and the product price is 559. Now click on place order. If you have any coupons, click on apply coupon. Here you can apply your coupons. After applying the coupons, just click on place order. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Unboxing Zindagi for more videos.